16 teams just got eliminated, and the other 16 now know exactly who they're facing next. The full round of 16 bracket just got revealed, and buried inside it is a round that has never existed in World Cup history before this tournament. It's not there for drama. It's there because math forced FIFA's hand. Here is exactly how it works. Start with the basic shape. The World Cup used to have 32 teams. Now it has 48. That's 16 more mouths at the table. And the bracket needed somewhere to put them before the round of 16 could even happen. So FIFA built a round that didn't used to exist. The round of 32. 32 teams walk in, 16 walk out, straight knockout, win or go home. Here's the part people miss. It's not. It's about controlling space. Every player on the pitch has a job. In the 32-team era, the top 2 teams from 8 groups went straight into the round of 16. No stopover. Now there are 12 groups, not 8. And the top 2 from each still qualify automatically. That's 24 teams already. Add the 8 best third-place finishers, and you land at 32. Too many for the old bracket, so a new gate had to appear before the round of 16 could open. Why does this matter to you as a viewer? Because it changes what surviving the group stage actually means. Finishing top of your group used to buy you a ticket straight into the business end of the tournament. Now it buys you one more knockout match first. Same trophy at the end. One extra life or death game before the bracket you're looking at right now even existed. Now for the escalation. Because this is where it gets interesting. Every single round of 32 match had to produce a winner. No draws. Wait, scratch that. There were absolutely penalty shootouts, when scores stayed level after 90 minutes and 30 more of extra time. What there wasn't was a draw as a final result. Tied after regulation. You played on. Tied after extra time. You went to penalties. Somebody walked off a winner. Somebody walked off a team that no longer exists in this tournament. That's the twist most casual fans never clock. A group stage draw is a stepping stone. A knockout draw, at any stage, is just a delay tactic before someone loses anyway. Whether you like it or not, the tournament finds a winner. And that brings us to today. The round of 32 wrapped up on July 3rd. And as of right now, July 4th, the full round of 16 bracket is locked in. Every remaining team knows its next opponent, its date, its venue. Group winners generally drew slightly gentler matchups than runners-up. Gentler, not guaranteed. Zoom out, and the whole idea is simple. More teams meant more qualifiers. More qualifiers meant the old bracket didn't fit, so the tournament grew a new limb, the round of 32, purely to funnel 48 nations down to a manageable 16 before the bracket you're looking at today could even exist. It's not tradition. It's about controlling space. Every player on the pitch has a job.